Guys, hope you are fine. Guys, in this video, I will be providing you with a smart kernel manager and its module which will help you to achieve 120 FPS in any low-end devices. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So guys, first open the file manager of your phone as I am using the Z-Archiver. Now go to the downloaded folder and go to the file. Guys, follow the step properly so you won't get any issue. So guys, here's the file. As you can see, simply extract here. Guys, as you can see that there are two files. We will be using these two files to achieve 120 FPS. So guys, first install the smart kernel manager. Here's the smart kernel manager. Guys, file password is in video, so watch the video carefully to avoid any mistakes or errors. Guys, as you can see, the smart kernel manager has been installed. Now click open simply. Here's the interface of the smart kernel. Click allow. Now click the right three dot button and first go to the performance tweak. And guys, use the gaming tweak. Guys, if you are gaming, so always use gaming tweak. And if your device is in idle state or you are doing some other social media, using social media etc., so use the pace balance mode because it will take higher battery. So as I am using the gaming mode because mostly I played game. Now again go to the virtual memory option and click turn on this option and click this. Guys, the second step has also been completed. Now here's the third step. Guys, click the script manager. Now click add and click create. Now guys, go back, simply long press this, click rename and simply copy this all. As I have copied, copy and now click paste. As you can see, now click this. Guys, now you have to copy the command. Click this. As you can see, click open. Guys, I have clicked the wrong step. Here click open. Now long press it, clear copy all and simply click copy. Now copy this command here. Now click save. As you can see that the command has been applied. Now click the this option dots and always click this. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.